a lihegéssel van, hogy tartod? Ott. Tart.
So what we are doing here is that we are training dogs to choose the warmer objects that are visually identical and also have the same odor.
Korábbi cikkéből, hogy ez így nem minden, hogy utána sok mindentől függ, tehát például egy
Jó?
Ez a varat lakásba tartani az izével, hogy pedig nem az adás lakásútja. Igen, csak
Tartod? Azt nagyon.
Dogs are able to sense the thermal radiation coming from warm bodies or let's say weak thermal radiation, and they can also direct their behavior according to this signal. We tested whether we can find an area in the brain that shows higher activity if they are exposed to a warmer than to a colder object. The canine heat sense had been overlooked for thousands of years, and this, on the one hand, may result in the revisiting questions like prey-predator interactions and their behavior, their sensory ecology, and also, on the other hand, it may be that other carnivores also possess this. This ability, which requires further investigation, of course, but this means that this shows us a whole new perspective on their behavior, on their interactions, on their ecology. So it gives us a deeper understanding of their view of the world.